The best action cameras for every adventure. Looking for the best action camera to capture your adventures? You've come to the right place. Today, we're breaking down 3 of the top action cameras that will take your footage to the next level. We're talking stunning video quality, smooth stabilization, and rugged designs that can handle anything you throw at them. And hey, if any of these cameras catch your eye, you'll find links in the description to check them out on Amazon. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the GoPro HERO12 Black, the gold standard of action cameras. This is the flagship GoPro, and it's not hard to see why. Let's start with the pros. The video quality is incredible. It shoots in 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second, which means your footage is ultra crisp and detailed. You can crop, zoom, or edit your clips without sacrificing quality. And if you're doing high-energy activities like mountain biking or surfing, Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization will keep your footage steady and buttery smooth, even on the roughest terrain. It's seriously impressive. The HERO12 Black is also waterproof up to 33 feet, no extra housing needed. Whether you're hitting the beach, hiking in the rain, or just splashing around, you're good to go. Now, for cons. Battery life has improved from previous models, but if you're recording in 5.3K, you'll want to bring an extra battery. And if you're shooting for long stretches in hot weather, it can overheat. Not a deal breaker, but something to be aware of. Overall, the HERO12 Black delivers best-in-class video quality and stabilization, making it the top choice for adventurers and content creators. If you're interested in the HERO12, check out the link in the description for more details. Let's move on to a serious competitor, the DJI Osmo Action 4. DJI isn't just about drones anymore. The Osmo Action 4 is a powerhouse, especially if you need better performance in low light. One of its biggest strengths is its low light capability. Thanks to its larger sensor, you'll get brighter, clearer footage when shooting at sunset, indoors, or in shaded areas. If you're not always shooting in bright daylight, this camera's got you covered. It also features rocksteady 3.0 stabilization, which keeps your footage smooth during dynamic activities like hiking, running, or skiing. And the magnetic mount system is super handy. You can swap mounts in seconds, no screws required. Now for the downsides. Unlike the GoPro, it maxes out at 4K resolution. That's still fantastic, but if you want ultra-high resolution for future-proofing your footage, GoPro has the edge. Also, the DJI Mimo app isn't as polished as GoPro's app. It works, but it feels a little clunky in comparison. That said, the Osmo Action 4 is a solid choice for anyone who needs great low-light performance and a more affordable alternative to the GoPro. Again, if you want more details, check out the link in the description. Now, let's finish with something a little different, the Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 isn't your typical action camera. This is a 360-degree camera, which means it captures everything around you, not just what's in front of you. Why is that a big deal? Because you can shoot first and decide your angles later. You don't have to worry about perfectly framing your shot while you're in the moment. You'll have all the angles covered when you sit down to edit. It's also got excellent stabilization with flow state technology. Whether you're skydiving, skating, or snowboarding, your footage will look smooth and cinematic. The touchscreen display is large, bright, and easy to use. Reviewing footage and changing settings is a breeze. But there are a couple of downsides. The biggest? Editing 360-degree footage takes more time. If you're not a fan of post-production, this might feel like a hassle. Also, while the X3 is waterproof up to 33 feet, you'll need a separate case if you want to go deeper. If you're someone who loves creative storytelling and wants to try unique shots, the Insta360 X3 is a game changer. So, how do you decide which one to buy? If you want the best video quality and stabilization, go with the GoPro HERO12 Black. If you need better low-light performance, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is an excellent pick. And if you want to get creative with 360-degree content, the Insta360 X3 is the way to go. Whichever you choose, you'll be getting a high-quality camera that can handle any adventure. Oh, and remember, the links to all of these cameras are in the description to make your life easier. Go check them out. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and comparisons. See you next time.